Okay. People, this is my basement. You know who this kid is? Yeah, hey Dad. What are we doing over here?
Oh, we're on Blog TV right now.
We're on Blog TV.
I should say later. This was from earlier today.
Danny.
What?
How much was a camera like this?
This much camera?
No, this camera.
They don't make that model no more.
What?
They don't make that style.
Oh.
You know, that style is been upgraded. That kind of style. That's that camera.
People,
Up.
me and you need to talk. Now I'm just playing with you. But, you know, we're hosts of our own web show.
Yay.
Right?
Yeah.
And, you know, I hope to see my daddy very, very soon.
Okay, Sean, that's enough about your dad.
Shut up.